Today I would like to discuss pie charts, which are one of the most popular types of charts used in business reports, news articles, etc. It is important to understand that we use pie charts to describe one variable, one thing, and to display the proportions of its component parts, whatever they might be. You could think of the student body of SFC as our variable. It is one thing that we want to describe. In the case of a student population or body, the variable might be age, with age ranges, for example, 1 to 17, 18 to 22, 22 to 25, etc. Or it could be nationality, or anything you want to consider. And our research department has to consider just about everything in their reports for the state and for the feds. So, visualize a real pie in your mind. It is round and made up of slices that are usually wedge-shaped. In all honesty, this is too easy in that I've effectively just described a pie chart to you. But let's go further with this. The pie chart as a whole represents the variable we're considering. For example, we could be looking at annual sales figures for a business. In the case of our sample pie chart, the pie chart as a whole represents our yearly total, whatever that might be. But our boss wants us to show how we did each quarter, which will vary, of course. So we slice the pie chart up, just like a real pie is sliced into wedge-shaped pieces, with each slice representing a quarter's sales as a fraction of the whole. We will wind up with 4 slices for the pie, 4 quarters in a year, but the slices will vary in size appropriate to their fractions of the whole. Let's say that we had the lion's share of our sales in the first quarter, maybe 50% of our total sales. As a result, the first quarter slice would be half of the pizza. So in our pie chart, we would show that the first quarter was represented by half of the pizza, with the other half being divided appropriately between the other 3 quarters. What is commonly done in pie charts is to use different colors and patterns to shade the wedges and to help people to read the chart. This might be similar to putting different patterns on the crust on different slices, which you could feel to tell them apart. We also explode wedges to draw attention to them. Exploding a wedge means to pull that slice out a bit from the rest of the pie chart so that it literally stands out. You can easily get a sense of this by pulling a real piece of pie away from the whole. You would be able to feel how it was separate from the rest while still feeling where the slices for the others were made. I hope this helps you to better understand pie charts. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to ask or share them.